In 2023, I was dating a guy who forgot my birthday, and at 5 p.m. he sent me $50. I sent him that $50 back, and I blocked him. Then in 2024, I was dating another guy who asked me what I wanted for my birthday. I told him what I wanted for my birthday. He proceeded to ask me my clothing size, my shoe size. But when my birthday came, nothing arrived. I never did see a birthday gift, not a shoe, not a shirt, not a card, not a balloon, nothing. I cut him off. Then come 2025, I'm dating a man about 4 months. I mentioned that I want to go to Aspen, Colorado, and a week later, that trip is booked, itinerary booked. Not only that, when we come back, I'm met with red roses, a charcuterie board, and a bottle of champagne. Why are you telling me this, Kyla Shay? I'm telling you this so that you don't A, settle for the man that forgets you, B, you don't settle for the man that overpromises and doesn't deliver or underdelivers, C, be willing to wait for the best and be willing to walk away from the worst, D, don't go into no situation bitter because being bitter will block your blessings. Don't allow your heart to be hardened by the disappointment of people who have not shown up for you. There is a man out there who can do it for you, that will do it for you, and that actually wants to do it for you. And you will not have to beg. You will not have to hold your breath. You will not have to plead. You probably won't even have to ask, because he will hear your desire and he will respond accordingly because he actually likes you.